occasion?
Last occasion, the petitioner who approached was neither a publisher nor bookseller, nothing.
This time also, ma'am.
They are
This-
not so.
No, ma'am.
They have given
lord,
their registration
page-
number.
Page 24 that my learned senior friend has
24.
pointed out, my lord, that is Vishwa Hindu Bharta. That is the publication of House of Vishwa Hindu Parishad. But this document, page 24, was never a part of the original application. That is my first point, my lord. The Vishwa Hindu Bharta is a publication house. But, my lord, the petitioner before your lordship and the applicant before the guild was Vishwa Hindu Parishad, who is neither a bookseller nor a publisher.
Now, this the petitioner
Yes, madam.
publishes this Vishwa Hindu Bharta.
Madam, it has a separate registration number. My learned senior friend has shown you.
Yes.
Madam, so application has to be through the publisher. And it has not been the number one. Number two, my lord, my learned senior friend has pointed out page 55. My lord, kindly consider serial number 4. There is a specification that catalog of the publications have to be given. Nothing of that sort was annexed to the application.
You could have sought for. They are here for so many years. You could have sought for that these are the shortcomings. Please provide all these things.
But the application itself was incomplete, my lord.
Well, why did you not intimate them?
My lord, these shortcomings were there, my lord.
You should have intimated them. You could have intimated them, or you deliberately don't do it.
My lord, it was rejected at the very threshold, my lord, because it did not meet the essential criteria. There was-
The rejection was made in October. When was it made?
My lord, kindly glance. After 30th October.
After 30th of October.
Yes.
30th October was the last date,
Yes, my lord.
right? And even in January, they go on pressing you for consideration of their application. You do not find.
Only 10th January, my lord, that they had written.
All right.
Only
So from October till November, December, you didn't find time to
They never
intimate them.
contacted us, my lord. In the interactive period, they never contacted us. It is only for the first time that on 10th January, my lord, that they, after the order was made in the
Earlier
Act matter, my
petition.
lord, yes, my lord, that they had given this application to us on 10th January itself. My lord, for the interregnum period from 30th October until 9th January, my lord, they were in their slumbers, my lord. My lord, and the guild has rejected their application at the very threshold because, my lord, it did not meet two essential criteria. Number one, my lord, the application was made not by the
Are you aware that they have their publication house, Vishwa Hindu Parishad, relying upon page 24 as their publication house, and they have books or the catalog? It has been submitted. That catalog
No,
was
my lord,
submitted.
that's not catalog, my lord. My lord, kindly. Latest magazines have been submitted, page 50. Only one magazine has been submitted. Kindly have a look at page 55.
Is there any specification as to how many magazines or how many publications?
Catalogs, man.
Catalog
the
means
All the books, my lord, which they want to my lord, exhibit in the book fair, my lord, that has to be there. And we have to also scrutinize, my lord, as to whether, my lord, about the my lord, catalog is asked for, my lord, so that we can conduct the scrutiny, but as to what should be there and what should not be there, my lord.
So you could have
Oh,
informed me.
what do you mean by
That
what
is-
should be there? It
Madam.
is their book, and they will publish it according to their wish. They write something and they publish it.
My lord, there can
Whoever.
be some sensitive my lord, books relating to certain sensitive issues may be there, my lord. We do not want to go into all those.
Did you
confidential, my lord.
intimate that these are the sensitive books and these are the
My lord,
insensitive
They
books?
should give us the catalog, my lord. Unless they give us
Call
the
for
catalog.
that. My lord, I have given all.
That-
My lord, these
no,
are my
my lord.
public books.
Do you have?
Yeah, these are the public books. I have the
How
catalogs
many?
also.
Where is the
I've
catalog?
given you losses.
No,
Everything.
don't give it to me. It is for them to see. The
We
book
have
is
given
not-
the catalog also.
Where? Show me that you have given the catalog.
My lord, I tell your losses. Kindly see the advertisement. Xerox copy of necessary license or registration certificate and catalog,
Yes.
and then latest magazine and newspaper. My lord, your losses will find over here. Your losses Xerox copy of registration certificate and latest magazine. My learned friend is saying that this is not publishers. Your losses kindly have a look at this book.
No, show it to the authority.
This is the book.
The book they have published.
Kindly have a look at the pleadings at para 5, my lord. They say that they have 800 books.
They have?
800 books. Kindly have a look at the pleading at
Is it
paragraph-
impossible? They cannot have.
No, my lord, not on that, my lord. Unless they say as to what they're going to display in the book fair, my lord, we cannot act upon.
You have an advertisement in place.
Yes, my lord. We
And
have
they say they have acted in accordance with the advertisement. The
catalog
court is-
was not furnished, my lord.
So you call for that.
Malad, they
You
never
rejected
approached
that.
us. Since
Oh,
there was no
Malad,
kind of
kindly
work,
look
the
at page
application
10.
was rejected at the very threshold. Malad,
This is more so the reason you should have intimated them because
No,
they say
rejection was
they,
intimated to
they
us.
were participants for the last several years.
Yeah, 2011.
Malad, they met the criteria. Malad, that is the reason why they were permitted.
Then you have the catalog of mine.
Malad, Malad, in
Till last year,
Yes.
till last year you permitted them to
yes, Malad.
they were there. You must be having all documents
Malad,
of these
the
authorities.
rules have changed, Malad, this year. Malad, kindly have a look at rule number 20.
These rules are not statutory rules. Don't show statute,
Malad, but
right? These are your own rules.
this is a part of the form itself.
These are all made on your own.
Malad, yes, Malad.
No statutory effect at all,
No.
right? You have permitted these people to be there for last so many years. All on a sudden, you just wake up and say that no, you don't have a catalog. What were they doing for the last so many years in the book fair? Why did you permit them?
Malad, this year, Malad,
Why did you permit them for the last year? They were sensitive,
no, Malad,
insensitive, and suddenly the sensitivity arose, increased.
This time there has been change of the policy, Malad.
Malad,
And
policy is not
and they were
published.
aware. They were aware, Malad. These
Published
rules were part of the form.
Which form?
itself.
Which
It
form?
is-
Kindly don't
Listen.
say that.
You are not a statutory authority.
No, Malad.
There must be a limit, and there must be at least some manner of decency in which you will function. If you function in such a manner that everything becomes so very naked, then it becomes difficult to accept it.
Malad,
Right.
this year, Malad.
You permitted these people to stay over there for last so many years. All on a sudden, there is a change of policy, there is change of this new forum. What is
They were
this?
aware of the rules of the
Why did you not intimate them?
How do you make us aware?
This was their part of the application form. Malad.
Application
This-
form is given after the money is deposited. Sorry.
This is part of the rules, Malad.
Rules.
Which rules?
Which rule?
Malad, they had the application form, Malad. In the application form, this
Where is
was
the application
specified.
form?
টাকা জমা দেওয়ার পর দেন।
Where is the application form? Is this form available to everybody?
Malad, kind grants me awareness.
Malad, I have given previous year documents also, one after another. Malad, kindly have a look at page 50 and 51, previous year. First I deposited the sum, then they give me the document. Then they give me the document. First deposited the sum,
Malad, this is
21,000.
a part of page 44, Malad. Kindly have a look at page 44. Malad, only the front portion of the form has been annexed. Malad, at the back side of the form, Malad, rules are specified.
This is previous year.
44.
This is given your lordship after the money is
Page
deposited.
44, Malad.
Which year?
Ma-
Which
Malad,
year?
This is the form, Malad.
This is not
year.
given to
Where?
us.
1 minute.
This year.
Where is the? You have a form on your own.
Malad,
Keep it inside your pocket. Did you give this to the petitioner or anybody who applies? You do not. When is this form handed over?
A very incomplete
Malad.
application. কিচ্ছু কাজ করে না my lord. Advertisement only apply with these documents. Without any format, without any prescribed form.
See page 52, the advertisement which is shown, it mentions interested participants may apply in their letterhead. You don't say that there is an application form. It's only in the letterhead that one has to apply and which the application was made.
I do it like previous years.
Malad, kindly have a look, Malad. They have to obey all the rules and
That I have
regulations
given
of
undertaking.
the fair, Malad.
That I have given
Malad,
undertaking.
On record has gone, Malad, is seeking the instructions, Malad, as to whether this was handed over to.
Have you finalized the stalls?
Yes, Malad, it has been filed.
So make place for them also because they are there for so many years.
Tomorrow, Malad, we shall come, Monday, Malad, we shall come back with all the instructions.
Come back with the place where they will be allotted. Affidavit of service filed in court is taken on record.
Malad, the
Pursuant
point
to
of
the
entry
publication,
is kept open, Malad.
the point of, I have accepted that in the last occasion because the petitioner on the last occasion did not fall within this publisher and
But here
something.
also the same.
But here he has got something to show that there are books, there are publications and everything.
That is of
And
Vishwa Hindu Varta, not of
it
the
is the
petition.
same house. It is from the same house
They have
by a
other-
They are
different
probably
name.
your losses confusing. Matlab, kindly your losses
Same
Anandabazar Patrika. This is Anandabazar group not.
Madam, kindly keeps it for Monday, passes order on
Don't
Monday.
say like this.
We shall come back with all instructions.
No instruction. You are going to start it, give a place for them.